up from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
Is this my card?
Yeah, it's your card.
Okay. Why is it you?
You can take it in your room.
Yeah. Thank you. Have it.
Can you bring me some tissue?
Okay.
Can you bring me some tissue, mommy?
Okay.
Thank you. Wow.
Here, mommy.
Can you give me the whole tissue then? Can you bring the whole tissue?
Really?
Yeah, the whole tissue, please. The whole roll. Bring it for me, please.
Okay.
Thank you, thank you, Mama. Yeah.
Stay here under the palm trees. Won't you lay here with me?
Bring the whole roll. Just pick the whole roll and bring it to me, please.
Why?
Just bring the whole thing to me.
Okay.
Thank you, Mommy. Oh my God. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you so much.
But not all of it. Not all of it. Not now. Here, Barbie. Here, Barbie.
Thank you, Steffi.
No problem.
So,
I do everything.
thank you. So what do you want to do? What do you want to do now? You want to watch some doo-doo?
On my phone.
But your phone needs to be charged. Your phone needs to be charged.
And Poppy?
Yeah, but Papi's not here, so what happens then? Can you bring your phone so I can put it on the charger for you?
Okay.
There's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with you. When everything ends, it's a brand new start. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with you. In our kingdom, kings fall dropping like little flies. There's a price to pay to get enough things we want. But if we take a moment to get closer, closer to the things we need, we wouldn't need them, need that, looking at the things we have. Stay here under the pole.
I don't want to do this one.
Which one?
This one.
Want me to do this one?
Yeah. But Mommy, look this one. I did it by myself.
Good job, Mommy. You did so well. You're such a big girl, you know what to do. So which
And the
one?
big flippy wants to do it.
I think you also need this one here, right? Where's the other red one?
Red one.
The red one.
I don't have the red one. It's gone.
And the other one, you don't have any blue one?
No.
Can you go look?
I don't have any blue.
So then this one you can have.
Won't you lay here with me? Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with you. When everything ends, it's a brand new start. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with you. There's no plan for the wicked. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There's no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with ya, with ya. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with ya, to be with ya. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with ya. When everything ends, it's a brand new start. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with ya. Ooh, there's no plan for the wicked. Ooh, there's no plan for the wicked.
Lasst uns aufbrechen zum Teeparty-Tänzchen.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me for I pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain. The only one that's left in the rain. Am I the only one? 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 Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all